Attention shoppers, stop what you're doing because now you can own the only friend you'll never have to feed. It's the one, the only pet rock. The companion that's rock solid, drama free, and always there when you need a paperweight. Sick of hair, food bowls, and pet bills? Say goodbye to fur and hello to pure stone energy. Now with 20% more rock. That's right, more weight, more value, more gravitas. Handpicked from the finest parking lots and backyards nationwide. Guaranteed 100% rock guarantee. If it ever stops being a rock, we'll give you 2 rocks. Limited edition until we run out of rocks. Supplies moving faster than you can say. Sedimentary. Not available in stores. Not available online. Honestly, I'm not even sure this is available at all. But if you call now, we might just send you one anyway. Don't wait another minute. Smash that button and make your life 200% more rock solid. May contain traces of rock,